Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy on crypto.com with a debit card. First, download the crypto.com app from your app store and complete the initial account setup. You will need to verify your identity by providing some personal information and uploading a photo of your ID. This Know Your Customer process is crucial for security and compliance. Once your account is verified, you are ready to link your debit card and begin your crypto journey. Now let's add your debit card. Open the crypto.com app and tap on the Trade button, then select Buy. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to acquire. When prompted for a payment method, select Add Credit/Debit Card. Carefully input your card number, expiration date, and the 3-digit security code. Your bank might send a one-time password for verification, so have your phone ready. With your debit card linked, buying crypto is straightforward. From the Buy screen, select your chosen cryptocurrency and enter the amount you wish to spend, for example, $50. The app will display the current exchange rate and any associated fees before you commit. Always review these details carefully. Once satisfied, confirm the transaction using your app passcode or fingerprint. Your new crypto will then be deposited into your wallet. Before you make a purchase, be aware of a few key points. Debit card transactions usually come with a processing fee, often around 2.99%, so factor this into your budget. There are also daily and monthly purchase limits, which can vary depending on your account's verification level. Always check the most current fee schedule and limits directly within the crypto.com app to avoid any surprises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.